Okay, this is our complicated chicken thigh recipe. That is about 10 chicken thighs. They have bone in, and I took the skin off of them. They were on sale for 99 cents a pound. Now, we're putting in our expensive ingredient. This is a complicated recipe. Louisiana hot sauce. And now we're going to marinate this. How much do you think you put in there for those 10? About half a bottle? Less than half?
Something like that.
But you put in as much as you want, as hot as you want. Now, the way that we're making them, they will not turn out real hot. Taste-wise, they'll just come out pleasantly tasty. But if you want them real hot, you can put in more. And you can marinate them a little longer. We'll probably marinate this, what, honey, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Something like that. That's your first step. Okay, now our thighs have been marinated for about 10 minutes, and we're putting them on a hot grill. These are great without the bone too, but they just happen to have thighs on sale with the bone at 99 cents a pound, so that's the deal, because we'll get tonight's meal and several more, probably lunches from it. They're really good just cold, right out of the refrigerator too, as leftovers. Okay, my grill master's been turning these about every 2 to 3 minutes, because even though I removed the skin, there's still residue of fat that drips off of them. And if you don't keep turning them all the time, they burn, the fat burns. So you want to keep turning them every few minutes. They've been on for about 15 minutes, and they have probably another 10 to go. Okay, after about 20 minutes on the grill, we brought them in. There's the thighs ready, and let them rest for a minute or two, and then we'll have dinner.